I'm Mann from Eddys Keys Express Locksmithing. Today we're here to change a combination on a brand new Kaba Simplex 1000 series keyless entry lock. So we start out by entering the old combination, and then we go into the inside of the door, and you're supposed to take out the core plug on the back, the change sleeve. Take that out of the door, and that's what it looks like. You enter your change tool, which looks like that. You enter it in there, turn it 1/4 turn. You'll feel a slight click. Then you go out to the outside of the door. Now, you turn the knob just once and enter the new combination. The latch retracts, let go of the knob, you turn it a second time, and it doesn't retract. That means it took the code. So now let's try it once. Perfect. So the code is set, and today we're all done changing the code on a Kaba Simplex 1000 series. And thanks for joining us today. I'm Mann from Eddys Keys Express. Thank you.